iPhone 7 Plus Wi-Fi antenna replacement guide. The tools we're going to need are a proprietary pentalobe screwdriver, a Phillips head double or 000 screwdriver, either one will work, a proprietary Y screwdriver, a suction cup for prying the screen apart, also a plastic triangular pick tool for separating the screen. This is an optional tool here. This will help remove the adhesive around the contour of the screen. And a plastic spudger for prying connections apart. Then also tweezers for managing screws and difficult to get to components. If the phone is on, go ahead and power it down. Near the charging port, there are two pentalobe screws securing the screen to the phone case. Go ahead and remove the two pentalobe screws. Go ahead and place the suction cup as close as you can to the home button. Make sure it's firmly secure and nice and tight. Now loop either your index or your middle finger through the suction cup loop. Pinch the sides of the phone with your other fingers. Make sure that you have leverage. Now pull as hard as you can on the suction cup. This will create a small crack for you to sneak the triangular pick through, and go ahead and start prying it from left to right to pry the screen apart. The tension and resistance that you'll feel is going to be from the adhesive, the waterproof adhesive. You can go ahead and remove or cut away this adhesive with the metallic prying tool. You can use it in tandem with the plastic tool, or just the plastic tool itself in case you don't want to risk scratching the phone. Run the tool along both sides of the phone. Pry the screen up just a little bit, no more than an inch. Remember, this phone folds out like a book and not straight up. What you want to do is you want to pull it down and then flip it over like a book. And you're gonna close it and then push it back in when we're done. So that's how it opens up. Go ahead and loosen up the top of the adhesive near the top of the phone. Now just tilt it and push it out, and then open it right up just like a book. And that's it, we're in. The Wi-Fi antenna is located in the top left and is secured with 4 Phillips head screws. With one screw difficult to get to, go ahead and lift up the phone at an angle and remove this screw first. With that Phillips head screw removed, go ahead and remove the other 3 easily removed Phillips head screws. Now you can go ahead and lift up the antenna. Here's what it looks like up close. Reassembly. Place the antenna into its socket and secure it with the 4 Phillips head screws, starting with the 3 clearly visible screws here, and then that 4th screw from the side, and that's it. We can clamp up the phone now. Go ahead and fold it up. Now at the very top, make sure you tuck that in first and the latches are in at the top, and then you can go ahead and clamp it shut, going around the contour, making sure that it's sealed and clamped in. Once you went around the contour a few times and you feel like you have a good seal, it's time to reinstall the 2 pentalobe screws near the charging port. You can go ahead and load the 2 screws into their sockets and then tighten them with the pentalobe screwdriver. Now let's go ahead and power on and test the phone. Looks good. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe, and check out more awesome videos at appledollars.com.